We'll be looking for the directional bias on gold together. For the week, the directional bias is bullish. Gold has been overall bullish. There was a break of structure here on the 4 hours time frame, but the inducement is not that clear. So we have to go down to the 1 hour time frame to check for our inducement following the 4 hours structure, because I get my directional bias from the 4 hours time frame. This is the break of structure over here. Then this is the inducement on gold. This is the inducement on gold over here. I'll just mark it with a dollar sign. Our POI is the one that is closest to our inducement. The POI that is closest to inducement on gold is this other block over here. This other block over here. Which gold has tapped into the other block, can now start looking for buys. So before the market closed, market gave an entry for a buy on the 5 minute time frame. Market gave an entry for a buy on the 5 minute time frame, where we have this break of structure over here, and we have a market structure shift over here. Why at that our 4 hours POI? Then we have our inducement over here, which is this one. We have this as the inducement, and then we have the breaker block that is closest to inducement is this one, or the POI that is closest to inducement is this POI over here, which this was the first entry on gold before the market closed. This was the first entry on gold, and this was the first entry on gold. So if you are holding this buy already on gold, you hold it to the all-time high, because gold doesn't have, we don't have our target is at the all-time high, at the high. So you hold it to this point on gold. But if you are waiting for another entry, that's a re-entry. There's another re-entry on the 5 minute time frame, which is this one over here. We have this break of structure over here. Market breaking this high. Then we have our inducement over here, which is this one. This breaker block over here is closest to the inducement. This breaker is closest to the inducement on gold. So the second entry on gold will be at this point. Once the market open, the second entry will be at this point, and our take profit will be at our stop loss will be at this low, that is 90 pip stop loss. Or let's put it here. Yeah, this will be our stop loss on gold, and our take profit will be at the 1 hour high. Let's see, guys. Let's see. This will be our take profit at the 1 hour high. This high on gold, yeah. This is a 1:14 RR. So this is it, guys. The first entry has already triggered, so let's wait for the second entry on gold, targeting 1:14 risk reward ratio, because we are aiming to clear out this entire trend line liquidity that is here. So that was our main aim for the buy, to take out this entire trend line liquidity on gold.